Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my planner for Easter week, and the first thing that I see down here are these flowers. I really don't know why me and my big ideas put these, but I'm going to be covering it up with this washi tape that I found at Walmart. I was really impressed by all the washi tape that Walmart had, and it has a lot in its roll and it's also really good quality. This one right here was definitely one of my favorites. I love the gold foil and the dots. So I'm going to be taking the gold one and I'm just going to be lining it up down in the bottom so that I can cover the flowers. Another really cool thing about washi tape is that you can overlay as much as you want, so it can be a little bit more fun and creative. So I'm actually taking this blue one right here and I'm putting it right in the center, and I wanted that gold to peek through, so that's why I'm doing it this way. And then I'm taking my Easter washi tape with the little eggs and I'm putting it right on top. I'm going to be using the polka dotted washi tape to cover up the lines in the center of my layout, and then I'm going to be using this gold one to cover up that line in the top, and then once again I'm using that blue to overlap right in between that gold. I found this really cool piece of paper with a bunch of dots and a bunch of colors. So what I'm doing here is I'm just measuring it to be the size of the side box, and then I'm just going to basically cut it and glue it down. The glue that I'm using is this one by Elmer's, which I actually found in a 3-pack at Dollar Tree. I know, crazy, but I love this glue because it has a fine tip and that way you can be a lot more precise. So I'm going to be using this one for my planner from now on. Funny story is that I went to a whole bunch of places, even Target, to look for Easter stickers, and I never thought of actually looking at Walmart. And so I actually found these at Walmart for less than $1, which is insane. So I'm just gonna be putting 2 on each side. I already had these sticker books, which are from Michael's, and I was going back and forth between which weekend sticker I wanted, and I was like, you know what, it's already fun and colorful, so I'm just gonna use this one. These sticker sheets are actually from Michael's as well, and then this first one is mainly for bills and like gas and like workouts and stuff like that. And then the middle one I like to use the little cameras, and this last one is mainly for reminders or to-dos. I'm going to be taking one of these little cameras right here and put it for Friday because I needed to upload a video and also post up a vlog. And then I'm going to be taking this little like to-do list with the little hearts, and I'm going to be putting it on Thursday because I had a lot of things to do that day. And then this due is going for Friday because I have some bills that are due that day. Next, I'm going to be putting this little car sticker because I needed to pump some gas for Thursday. And then I'm putting this other little sticker with this spoon and fork because we are going to dine out. I'm going to be putting this to-do sticker on Monday because I always feel like on Mondays there's always a bunch of things to do, and that's why Mondays are never fun. So this is how my layout looks like. It's really fun and I really love the foil on there. Now it's time to write down the stuff that we have to do throughout the week. So I thought that the right side was looking a little bit lonely, so I cut up another little piece of paper and I glued it down to the right side, and it made such a huge difference. Alright my loves, that is all for this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!